Alright, so now that we have a WebAuth wallet established, what I want to do is I want to import that wallet onto another device. So if you made it on the phone first and you want to put it on the computer, you'll follow the same steps. I created the wallet originally on my Windows desktop. Now what I want to do is I want to import that wallet into my WebAuth wallet on my phone. So you're looking at my phone on the screen, and of course I've covered up the how much money I got in it because that's just private information. But if you look down at the bottom, it says Jetted IQ, right? That's my main account, and what I want to do is I want to click on that Jetted IQ, and I want to import a wallet. So I click on the import, and then we're going to have the option of using a recovery phrase or a private key. Since we are new to this, at this point we don't know what our private key is. We'll learn that as we learn the entire ecosystem. But for now, we do know what our recovery phrase is. Our recovery phrase, or our mnemonic recovery phrase, is those 12 words that we had to write down, that I told you to write down in 2 or 3 places, and to store it away and to never put it into digital format. So I'm going to cover this up and blur it out, however you want to look at it, and then I'm going to put those 12 words in here for my TGA YouTube account. So let me just do that real quick so that you guys, I'm going to block it, I'm going to do it, and I'm going to speed it up so that we can just move forward. So the main things that you have to pay attention to is, number one, you have to put these in all lowercase lettering. Number two, once you type out the word or write up the word, you just hit the space bar and then you start typing the next word, and you have to put these in order 1 through 12, just as you wrote them down. Once you're done with that, then you can go over and you can click on the lit up login. So it's logging in at this point, it's checking for my face, and we're in. So now you can see down here at the bottom, right here is TGA YouTube, so now I'm in that account. So that's how you move it to another device. It's really very easy and very simple. And that's going to be all that we're going to do in this video. This is just a video to show you how to import your account to any device that you have, whether it's a tablet, a desktop, a laptop, a cell phone, whatever it is. Again, all you do is click on your name on the bottom, click on import, and then you put your mnemonic phrase, your 12 words in there, and then hit login. And then now your new device has the exact same count. Now you can use your new device or your old device or any other device that you import it to. Okay, and for the final thing, what we want to do is go down to the bottom, and you want to pick this guy right here, right? Go ahead and click on him, and then you want to go up here where it says profile settings and click on it, and then you can go up here where the little picture is. You click on that, and then your images on your phone will come up, and then you can upload a picture for this account. And you can do that for each of the accounts that you create. And again, to create the accounts, you just go down here to the TGA YouTube channel, and you can see I got the 2 accounts now. You just switch over to the other account, and then you can do the exact same thing. Okay, but we'll just stay on this and we'll end the video. Again, you just click here, and then you go to profile. Well, let's back out. Right up here you go back, and then you go down here to this dude, brings you to this screen, and then you click on profile settings, and then you can change your display name, but again, go up to the top up here and click that to upload a picture. Alright guys, so we'll catch you guys in the next video. Get in the word, stay in the word, get the word in you. Most important thing you could probably do in your life. And we will catch you in the next video where we'll begin to actually use the WebAuth wallet and begin to actually use the Metallicus ecosystem.